Okay, so I just got cut off because I was talking too much. There's only a 5-minute limit on this new Google Chrome extension Screencastify that I'm trying. So it might get cut into a couple different videos over the next few days, weeks, however long we're going to be doing this for. So we just finished part C, and you'll notice that we plotted all of our points. We labeled all of our points, and we noticed that it forms a line. And it's okay if you would like to draw a line through it like this. That's okay. You can do that. That's fine. And then part D says the same catering company offers chicken parmesan that serves 16 people per pan. So instead of having n equals 24p, I change it to n equals 16p. And it says how many more people would 5 pans of lasagna serve than 5 pans of chicken parmesan? Explain your reasoning to a classmate. So I have both equations here. This is going to be the chicken parmesan. And it says it serves 16 people. And then the lasagna serves 24 people per pan. So n equals 24p and n equals 16p. And they're talking about 5 pans of lasagna versus 5 pans of chicken cutlet. So what you need to do is you need to write n equals 16 times 5 and n equals 24 times 5. Okay? 16 times 5 is going to be 80. So the chicken parmesan can feed 80 people. And n equals 24 times 5, n is equal to 120. So the lasagna can feed 120 people. And they want to know how many more people would this feed than this feed. So at this point, you should be saying to yourself, we need to subtract those two to figure it out. So you do 120 minus 80, and you're going to have 40 more people that the lasagna serves than the chicken parmesan. So that answers question number 10. Again, I still want you to try it on your own after watching this video. Make sure that you're able to get each and every part of this, A, B, C, and D. If you have any questions, please ask me on the stream. Number A is a very similar question to the one that we just did. Number 8. So you should be able to do that. Number 9, all you have to do is write 2 equations. So it says the Music Man charges $45 per hour and Road Tunes charges $35 per hour. Write equations to represent the total cost T of hiring either disc jockey for any number of hours N. So just remember that you're using the letters T and you're using the letter N. Okay, for both of those, you need 2 equations for that one. So Music Man's going to have 1 equation, and then Road Tunes is going to have its 2nd equation. Okay, on the back page, on page 488, there's a couple multiple choice questions. Number 13, you need to write an equation to represent the total points possible for the test. This one's a little tricky, so I'll help you with it. It says a science test has multiple choice questions and short answer questions. Each multiple choice question is worth 2 points, and each short answer is worth 5 points. Write an equation to represent the total points possible for the test. Now notice that they didn't give you any variables here, so you're able to choose your own variables. So again, this is number 13 on page 488. And so I'm going to write P equals, P for points. Okay, P equals, and if each multiple choice is worth 2 points, I'm going to write 2 times M, M for multiple choice. And if each short answer is worth 5 points, I'm going to write plus 5 times S for short answer. So the M is for multiple choice, the S is for short answer, and 5 points for short answer, 2 points for multiple choice. If you had any numbers to plug in there, you would end up finding the total points. But all they wanted you to do for number 13 is just to write this equation. They didn't ask you to solve it or anything. You can't solve anything without having any of those numbers. So that would be the answer to number 13. Number 14 through 19 should be fine. It's just writing greater than, less than. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know.